In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attributes in WooCommerce. Attributes in WooCommerce allow you to define additional product data, which is incredibly useful for features like variations and filtering. We're going to walk through this process step by step, ensuring you feel confident managing your product attributes by the end of this session. Let's get started. First, we'll begin by navigating to our WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Go down to the section labeled Products. When you hover over Products, a submenu will appear. We'll want to click on Attributes. This section allows us to create and manage the characteristics of our products, providing a more detailed description for each one. Next, we're going to add a new attribute. You'll see a form where you can enter a name for your attribute. Let's say you're creating an attribute for sizing options. You might enter size here. Directly below that, there's an option for a slug. If you decide to leave it blank, don't worry, it will be automatically created for you, which can save time if you're just getting started. However, if you prefer more control over the URLs, you can manually enter a slug that reflects your attribute's name. As we scroll down a bit, there are a couple of optional settings you can configure. You have Enable Archives, a setting that, when activated, creates a front-end archive page for all products with this particular attribute. This is especially useful if you want customers to find products grouped by certain attributes like size, color, or brand. You can also choose the type. Select from options like Select or Text, depending on whether you want to use a drop-down or another input type. Additionally, there's a Sort Order option that determines how your attribute terms will appear. Once you've filled in these details to your liking, go ahead and click Add Attribute to save your settings. Now that you've saved your attribute, you'll notice it appears in the list below. The next step is to add specific values to this attribute. Find your new attribute on the list and select the link that says Configure Terms next to it. This is where you'll define the specific options available. For instance, if your attribute is size, you might enter terms like small, medium, and large. Each term should be entered with a name, and you can add descriptions or slugs if you wish, although these are optional. Once you're done adding all your desired terms, you'll have a fully configured attribute ready for use in your store. And that's it! You've successfully added attributes to your WooCommerce store. Thanks to this feature, you can offer a more refined shopping experience for your customers, making it easier for them to find exactly what they're looking for. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any further questions.